Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious guacamole. To begin, select 3 ripe avocados. They should yield gently to pressure. Next, finely dice 1 small red onion and 1 jalapeno, removing the seeds for less heat. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Finally, have 1 lime, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper ready for perfect seasoning. These fresh ingredients are the foundation of a fantastic dip. Now let's get to mixing. Carefully have your 3 ripe avocados and remove the large pits. Scoop all the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your preferred texture. Some like it chunky, others smoother. Then incorporate the finely diced red onion, the prepared jalapeno, and the fresh, chopped cilantro. This combination creates a vibrant base. Achieving the perfect flavor balance is key for outstanding guacamole. Squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lime directly over your avocado mixture. This adds a crucial bright, tangy note and helps prevent browning. Next, sprinkle in a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly, ensuring every bite is bursting with a harmonious blend of flavors. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your delicious homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, as a topping for tacos, or alongside grilled dishes. If you have any leftovers, which is rare, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to minimize air exposure. Then place it in an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh and vibrant for up to 2 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.